Well, is everybody getting tired of me yet? Is everybody tired of watching me on YouTube? But hopefully it helps somebody. That's the whole point of this channel, is if somebody wants to build a Factory 5 and they can watch my videos kind of step by step. My thing is, I wish I could have done it to where I would have been more, today we're going to do all the front suspension. Tomorrow we'll do all the back suspension. Then we'll put in the motor, that kind of thing. But as I said, when you're waiting for parts, you've got to bounce around. You can't sit back and wait, or this thing's going to take me too long to build. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. But I said, if just one person, just one, gets help out of these videos, then I feel like, it's worth it. So, because, there's a lot of people that want to build one of these that don't have the experience. I've restored quite a few cars in my life. This is my second Factory 5. I did the Roadster first. Now I'm going to do the Coupe. And I guarantee if someone offers me good money for the Coupe, I'll probably build another one. Maybe their new, what is it, the F9, I think they call it, or F9R. Looks like a pretty awesome car, but I don't know, the Daytona Coupe might be a keeper. So today I'm going to finish up the box. I kind of detailed a little bit. The carpet's all in. I glued it with silicone part way up so I can still get the screws in, and then I'll finish trimming these edges and either wrap this around, I'm not sure until we get it up inside the car. So, but you can see the inside looks really nice now. I mean, this is just nice carpet. Honestly, I got this at Home Depot. It's their indoor-outdoor carpet, I believe, but I'm not even sure. And it's really kind of plush feeling, really soft. It's got like a rubber back. Not bad. I mean, pretty impressed. It was like $12. So can't complain with that. Okay, so we got our box done. So we're gonna run it back over here. I'm gonna drop all those in. I got the garage door shut. It's a little bit harder to get up in here, but we'll make it work. Yeah, I think I got to buy some shorter 1032s. All I have is 1 inch, and they're not going to bottom out on the tube, but waste of a lot of threads there that I've got to sit there and just keep driving in. So rock solid. So that's how you install a box. I'll put a washer behind this one. I got to finish getting that one in. And then we can drop the box out at a later date. And I'm going to fill this whole edge, just with body filler or something, sand it all, and then we'll carpet it, whatever we're going to do. Maybe paint the outside. But yeah, nice, sturdy box. So more solid than the aluminum, that's for sure. Okay, so we got the box roughed up in here. Now I can go through, kind of figure out what I'm going to do with the carpet. So like the back, I think I'm just going to go dead even up to here. This all gets covered. This side, go dead even up to here. It's this back edge here. We're going to have a hinge over this. So I'm not sure. This side here I can just tuck up underneath. So I'm really thinking this should be pretty straightforward. See, there's really no need to go around. Then I can caulk all into there to seal this thing up. I think that should work. Yeah, see, because then the aluminum is going to cover all of that. You won't be able to see that upper edge. So it's like, why? Yeah, I think that should work. The box is now mounted permanently. Carpet's all in. I just glued the back section so I could tape these sides, but that, I'm leaving this a little long so then I can kind of bend it over the edge, because that'll be a nice clean look once you open the box up. I'm not sure. I could always hit it flush, but I think that's what I'm going to do. And then the piano hinge will screw into the top piece here. I think that's my best look. So I think that's going to look very, very nice. And I think I kind of got to screw up here. I forgot to wrap the carpet up over the top of that. So I'm going to have to kind of blend in a little bit of carpet up over into here. And I got this gap to fill anyhow. So we'll figure that out. Maybe put a piece of aluminum or something on top of that. So yeah, it's coming along. As they say, another episode in the can. So thanks for watching. This episode, we kind of finished installing our box. I'll show you some of the details here. I kind of got a flashlight here because it's pretty dark out and the lighting's not good in this back part of the garage. You can see it all nice and carpeted. As you can see up this front edge, kind of get so much light on there. The box will hit, the piano hinge will come into here. So you'll see just wrap this edge around nice and clean. It'll be a nice look. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Hopefully you saw how to build a box, a little storage cubby they say, and appreciate you watching. So please, if you like this video, hit subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you on the next episode of the Cobra Daytona Build.